welcome back. I want to quickly touch on the subject of what we call string concatenation. Yes, programmers love creating really complex names when concepts may not be as complex. So what does string concatenation mean? Well, it simply means adding strings together. So I can do hello plus Andre, and I've concatenated the string. I've added two strings together. So if I print this, I get hello Andre. So if you ever hear people talk about string concatenation, that's what they mean. We're concatenating strings. By the way, what do you think will happen if I do hello plus 5? If I click run, that's not good, is it? I get type error. Must be string, not int. So it looks like string concatenation only works with strings. We'll explore that a little bit more in the next video.